Okay, in our last class we completed the DTO part of the book. Now let's go to the controller. Select the controller package, class, you have right, book controller. Here first we have to add the annotation and everything over here. Yes, controller, process, all the annotation. Add out it here. This one should be the book. So you have to add this all the things. Pass it to the book controller. Right, we have to change this all things as a books. Okay. Now the first I'm going to go to the service. Select the service, new book service. This one not a class, interface. Again I am going to make the mistake. Interface. IMPL, this one should be the class book service IMPL. This one you have to make the annotation which is a service notation. This one implements book service. Now select the package repo. This package we have named it as this one interface book repo. That's it. That's one you have to implement the extend the JPA repository and everything to here and here. This one should be the book. This one should be the integer. This is a book ID is integer. That's the thing. Okay, so this one select this one. All shift enter. This is the entity. Share this entity. Right. That's it. Right. Now let's go to the book controller. We have changed this one as a book service. You have to create the object book service is automatically generated by IntelliJ IDEA book service. Here the save book request coming from the book save DTO. You have to write book save DTO. This one also you have to all percent key. Book save DTO. This one changes set it to book service. Okay, so here you have to write book title. String you have to book title. Get the book title here. You send it to via book service class. Book service. So book service here you have sent book service add book. This what's the details coming from the front end. Okay, so here add book, select this one, create a method add book over here. Now you have to implement the implementation of the book over here. Click the bulb symbol, implement methods, implement that. Right. Now here we have to do the couple of things here. This is all the AutoWare, private, author, repo. This one also you have to add it over here because we have to join the tables, this table. Second, publisher also we need a repo. This repo also we have to paste it over here. After that, we have to make the repo, which is this all query we have to bind merging. This one should be the book repo. We have to do book repo. We have to create the book repo. That's it. Right, now add the book will be cheap. Or to add the book, we have to maybe add the book, so we have to go to author APL. Same thing, just copy it, paste on the book. Okay, this one should be the book. This entity, the schema, book. You have to add the all percent key to this entity you have selected. This one should be the book. Right, what's the DTO coming here? It will be make it as a entity type. So DTO is a book. Save DTO. It get the object as first one is a get book title. comma, second one I'm going to get it as a book save DTO dot, we have to get it as, we can't directly get it, you have to get it over here, as like this way you have to get it, wait, get on it. We have tried author repo dot get by ID. Here we have tried the book save DTO dot. We have tried it as get author ID. After that, we have tried this author. Copy this, paste it over here. This one publisher repo get by ID. This one should be the dot publisher ID. After that, we have tried second third one as a here we have get the, when you save the record of the author, so we have to author repo we have to search by ID, we have to get the author ID. Publisher repo we have to search by the what's the save detail coming, you have to publisher ID. Third one, book title, publisher, another thing, what's the thing? That's it. Right, that's it. That's the thing available. Okay, here you can see book save video, titles, author ID, that's things. Right, must. Okay, here we have a, this is not a book repo, this is a repo dot save method. Here you have some book, get the book name, that's it. Right, that's the thing. Very simple. This is how we are handling the things. Right, so here when the request is coming, we have a get repo, because this is the part here we are here what the thing is going on here, the author ID and these are the foreign key. The foreign key, the author table which is a primary ID, the book table is a foreign key, we have to establish through the repo. The author repo get by ID, this author ID repo, we communicate the repo and get by ID, what the ID is coming here, it's set into here, it check whether the IDs of the author is there. Here also check, then only it will be, you will be able to add it. Okay, here we have a author repo, we have to check what this. Okay, so here get title, we have write it. That's it. After that, second one, we have to load the book. We have to load the book. Okay, so load the book. We have to view the book. So what you're going to do is you have to go to the controller again, get all. This one should be the books. Get all book. Okay, this is get all book. Get all. This one should be the book. This is a book DTO. Book DTO. Okay, so here we have sent into the book DTO. We have a all plus enter key to apply the DTO. So here the all. This is not a publisher, this is a book publisher. All the things are changed as a book. It's sending to which one, which service, book service, get all books. There is a function we have to create on the service. Return all the books. So here get all books, select this one, click on this, create the method over here. This method we have to establish it to where to here this IMPL, click on this, you have to implementation, you have to do the implementation. Here you have what you're going to do is we have to do the author part, here to all the things you just copied, paste on it. Here you have to write what the thing is. Here we have the book, list of books, get book, get books, search for the books of via book report, find all method. After that we have a book DTO list, array list. You have book, you have to get books, you have to write book DTO dot book DTO. Here we have the book DTO. You have put it here. But get by one by one. Book dot get book ID, comma book dot get. So book dot get book ID. We are get it as the thing and things we are getting. Where it's not coming. Book repo. Book ID, and you have to write a book ID, comma you get it. That's why the book title is not coming. Get books dot okay, now it's coming. Get it's not coming. Here the problem is here. We have not generate the get and set method of the entity here. It's not I am going to only the books ID only generated. Here that's the problem is coming. We have a problem with here the publisher of the books. Again I am going to remove this one. I am going to generate the get and set method. Right click. Accidentally the constructor, all the constructor. Second one is a constructor without a name. Select the hold on the shift key down and select another rest of the field. Third one I'm going to select as non-constructor, generate constructor, select non-constructor. After that we have generate the get and select generate get and set method. All the things hold on the shift key down, select all everything. Now you have to here toString method. That's it. Now if you go over here, you can see book dot get book title, book dot get author, book dot get publisher. That's it. Okay, here it's working. Now make the list book list dot this DTO you have to add it. Send it the book DTO list. That's it. That's the thing you have to add it. This is how we have list of the books. You have to create the method. This method we can see. Okay, so all things you have to check one by one after done all the things. Okay, right. So we have completed the get all books and save books. Third one update. This all things you have done it. That's why all the codes done by here. Update books. Yeah, update book. This one should be the update book DTO. Book update DTO. Here also book update DTO. This DTO we have to pass it over here. This one should be the book service. There is a method we have to create that as a update book. Okay, so book name. Here also you have to change it as a publisher as a book name. Select this method. Click on the bulb symbol. Create the method over here. After that, what you are going to do is you have to go to the IMPL, book IMPL. You have to implement that method. Click on this and implement the method. You have to implement that successfully. Now what you are going to do is, right, so here we have to go to the we have to go to the first we have to this one we have to first check it the ID, whether the ID is the ID is exist or not. Okay, so we have to check it over like this. First you have to check it. The book update ID is the book update ID is a repo. We have to check this via the repo book repo. First you have to check it. When you're going to update the record, first the book is exist or not. So the book update DTO, this ID is exist or not. If the ID is exist, so you have write it here book update DTO dot get book ID. If the guide IDs exist, it's coming to here book. Okay, here book. The ID is a book. You have to check via the entity. Okay, so the book repo dot get by ID. You have to update method dot get book ID. You have to check it whether the book is exist or not. Okay, you check it the book is exist or not. The book is exist. You have to go set book ID, book repo get by ID here by ID. Here you have to set it over here. Yeah, first one you have to, sorry, you have to set it over here. The simple stuff. Here we have first one you have to set it the book ID. So book ID, the book ID is exist. You have set the second stuff is not a book. Second is a set. You have set it as a dot book ID. You have to set the set author. You have to the set author. This one set author. Set author. We have to how to find the set author via the repo. Author repo dot get by ID. Book update. What's the author IDs you are coming here? Author of the book, the ID. Okay, dot update repo get author ID. Okay, after that, what you're going to do is we have to check in the second, third one is a book dot here you get the set publisher ID. This one you are searching for the book publisher repo. We are searching the IDs for the publisher ID is coming here. You have to update the record. Publisher ID, then you're going to publisher ID, book update. What the publisher ID is getting, you have to dot get publisher ID. Okay, that's how we are doing the program. Okay, we have need another things. Okay. Publisher ID. This how we have update the record. Okay, so here you have to, if it is there, what you're going to do is you have to get here, you have to write it over here. Okay, you have to write this, call this method to update the record. You have called it here, this one. Call it here. You have called this one book repo dot save method. You have to save the this one, this book. Save it over here. You have to pass in the this book dot get title. Right, when you save the record. Then otherwise your book ID not found. That's how we have made the books. Okay. First you check through. This all the foreign key we have to check through the book, author ID is a foreign key of the author table. Publisher ID is a foreign key of the publisher table. So we have to first search it. The author repo. Author repo is a query search. Okay, the author repo we have this author repo. This one going to search. Select all from author where the ID. Here. What's the ID of there? The IDs exist. This also exists. Then only we will be able to update the books. Right. Otherwise, your book not found. The last one implementation as you over here, we have a delete method. Here, delete book name, book service dot get delete books. What's the ID coming here? Delete that. Click on this. Create book. You have to add the book, click on this, add the book over, implement the book over here. Here we have what the book is coming here, we have to put it over here, right over here. This one, we have to put it here. Here we have to write the how to deal the book through the book repo. If the book ID exists, the book has been deleted. Right, that's the thing you have to write it. Okay, that's the thing you have to write it. That's it. Otherwise, book not found. Right, we have everything we have done as we expected. Now let's check it. So we need a run the programming, we accidentally close the Postman front-ending tool. So first we have to testing whether it's working fine or not. It's working. Now you have to go to the Postman. Now the project is running successfully. Now what you're going to do is how to check it over here. Or to open up the Postman front-ending tool, front-end tool. Here you have to write the book. First you have to check the post method, API book, save, book body. Okay, the body you have to check it over here. Now simply how to check it, very simple way. You have to go to the book, which one book, DTU. Okay, here what you are going to do is these all things are the book saved DTO, get the book saved DTO, not a book DTO, saved DTO. You have to get this all the properties. Here, when you open the Postman, this is very heavy tool. That's why it takes some stock of the machine. Okay, so here, book title of the book, author ID, and publisher ID. So you write the author ID and publisher ID of the book. The publisher ID already want delete the publisher. That's a problem. I want to save the publisher again. Publisher, raw name equal Raja, publisher name Raja, click this one, publisher save. Now let's go to my table and check it. The publisher of the book was a publisher. So publisher is Java. Sorry, I'm going to make it as a Raja is a publisher ID to author ID, which is a John is 2. Okay, so let's take as the Peter. Okay, now here, go here, author ID, I'm going to make it as 3, which is a Peter. Publisher ID, I make it as a 2, which is a Raja. Okay, so here we have to change the book title. Okay, we have to make it as Java book. So here click save. Added successful, book added successful. So go to the book and see it. Book author ID 3 mean is the both author ID of the book. Oh, Peter is the author ID 3. The publisher is a Raja. Okay, that's how we have done the data. Right. Now let's do the thing successfully. Now let's get the data from the database. So you have to get the data. Very simple. Get method. You have to get all books. If you are any confused, you go and check it whether it's so correct or not. Get all books. Book, not books, book. It should be capital. Let's get them here. You can see once we have the book here, it's a publisher ID 3, it's a Raja. This is how we have get the data. Very simple. It's populated successfully, it will be populated. You can see here. This is the efficient way to write the program. Right. Now I'm going to update the record of the this book. I'm going to update it. So after updated, you have a method called what's a put method. So you try data method which is a put method. The update. You check the API which is a update API. So this all things we have a you have to get API, you have to get all the data. So here the get API to solve the data. You have to receive it over here. Put on that instead of writing the body. Raw. Paste on it. 2003. Publisher ID 2. Okay. Now what you are going to do is you have to to book BB book. You are changing as a title as a BB book. Okay. The publisher ID I'm going to make it as 3. Sorry. Publisher ID author ID I'm going to make it as 2. You have to update the book. What's the problem? Book ID 1. I'm going to update. What's the error? Book update. What's the URL? Something the foreign key concept is wrong. That's a telling. Author ID for the author ID 2. So 2's there. To author ID 3. Okay, what's the thing? Book ID, we have a book ID 1, book ID 1. I'm going to update it. This one. Book method, book ID 1. Title, I'm going to change the title. And author ID. So author ID. So the 3 have credit. No, it's correct. So problem. Author ID is referred. Author ID. What's the problem? We'll go to the. I think the problem is having the EMPL. Set author, get update, get author ID. What's the author ID is there? checking the author table. So publisher ID. That's the thing. How to do it? Why make some wrong? What's the error here is the problem. I got it. The problem is here. We have a API. We have written here. Your publisher this up. Okay, you have write the publisher so API you have written here author ID likewise way your publisher ID. Okay. Right. So here now what you're going to do is now click on this. Now here Java. It will sorry. Now let's check it. The put method to update the record. It's updated. Now what's the problem? So again it change it here Java book. So let's run the program again. Now again I'm going to update the record. The put method version book 1. I'm going to update. Click send button. Book is fine. The same thing is not added. The title is not added. Why the problem? But the update is working. Why is the thing is the book is book title. But the title I give you the same thing. So book ID. So book ID. So title. Give you book. I think that is it's not doesn't matter. But it's not updated. It's not updated. The record is not updated. But here it's not updated. It's not updated. I think the API, the updated, the go here, the publisher, book service publisher. You have set it here. Author. So okay, the book. I haven't missed the one field. That's why the problem. Here you will be able to see. I gave the author book ID only. I haven't set the book title. That's how I set. Set title. I haven't set the title. That's the problem. Okay, that is the problem. Others are fine. That's why it won't show the error and everything. We can update dot get title. That might be the problem. Now let's again run in and check it. Now the problem will be solved. Right. Now you can check it. Click on this. There we go. Okay, you can see now here. It's simple. You take what's going on. You have to take the decision. What's the error is coming? Here it's update is working. The update book it's working. This all the queries are management by Hibernate. It's working successfully. Now I'm going to delete the book. Let's check it. The delete API as well. Copy this. Paste on it here. Now I'm going to open up the delete API. So here delete, put it over here. This one should be the delete. What's the book ID? I'm going to give us 1. Click on it. Book has been deleted. I will go and check it. The book is get book. There is no book left. All the book are deleted. Okay, book are deleted. Okay, now if you refresh it, book has been deleted. Thank you for watching. I have completed the book section. Thank you.